I was selling my house. I had listed it for sale by owner. Daniel was the first person to contact me.
One day we had our house for sale by owner, and he had knocked on the door and introduced himself, and I told him I was just really, not really wanting to go with a realtor and to see if we could do it by ourselves, because we had previous experience doing that.
Daniel was very good to go out and look to see what he could find that felt within our criteria.
And he was very professional and real, I guess I would say, laid back, easy to talk to. Wasn't real pushy, which is what I've gotten by the 200 realtors before that.
I knew that if I did decide to get a realtor, that he would be the first one I'd contact, and told him so.
Daniel is very detail-oriented, and he spends a lot of time on his work. He really enjoys what he does.
Of course, I told him when he got home, I told Mike, and I said, look, Daniel came by, and he seemed pretty easy to work with. He wasn't real pushy, which is kind of what I was looking for.
Attempting to sell my house for sale by owner did not work out for me well. It was very time consuming. I never felt comfortable with what I was doing and if I was doing it correctly.
He blew us away immediately, so we were very, very happy that we made the choice to list with Daniel.
After I listed my house with Daniel, the traffic did start coming. And not just traffic, but positive feedback traffic.
He worked hours on the clock, it seems like, around the clock. And he was always sending emails, calling, and coming over and helping us through this whole process.
He really did a lot of research on the front end. So when he came, he was really prepared, and it was quick, it was easy, and I was comfortable talking to him. He was definitely the expert in that field that we needed.
He walked us through the various things that we needed to look at, the various things that we needed to do.
He did much more advertising than what I could do alone. He put a lot more time into it than what I could do alone.
He was very good at responding to us, and very good at covering what we needed as far as information to make an informed, logical decision.
We just want to make sure that we were ready to sell, and that we weren't assuming that we were ready just because we were ready to go, see if there was anything that we needed to do.
When Daniel and I first sat down and went over the paperwork to get the contract and everything signed, Daniel was good about taking his time to explain everything to me. He answered all of my questions and did so in a very professional manner, but also in a very friendly manner.
Daniel came over, and he was, I guess, showing us comps in the area that we live in, trying to pull up houses that were similar to ours, showing us kind of on the high end and on the low end what we could ask for our house, and just showed us kind of what things have been selling for, how long they've been on the market.
Daniel would walk through with us and point things out and go through each thing, and so from there we could decide which would be a better buy for us.
Yeah, I think Daniel provided us just some comps on a regular basis, letting us know kind of how fast things were moving in the neighborhood, what was selling, what wasn't, even in the middle of our house being listed. So it wasn't just at the very beginning and then the information quit coming. It wasn't like that. It was the whole time. It was like, things are starting to pick up in the market now. Things are moving in the neighborhood. There's only this number of houses for sale in your neighborhood that, meet this criteria, and you're one of them. And it was just constant feedback of information. We always knew kind of what was going on in the market, and it was very, very helpful. And it was just good to know.
Another thing, Daniel took the time to run the comparisons, to check the values of the properties around the values of the properties that were similar, to help us decide not just on what the house contained or the layout of the house, but also which was the best bang for our buck, where we could get the most value for what we were actually investing into the house.
When I did get the offer on my home, Daniel, of course, immediately contacted me. He sat down with me and we went over the contract offer line by line. He explained everything to me in simple terms that very understandable, and answered any questions that I had.
Daniel called us and told us that someone wanted to look at the house, and they came, and so And when they came to see the house and left, I mean, quickly after, I guess their realtor had called, he immediately got in touch with us and said, hey, that I think that, they may want to make an offer. He's asking a lot of questions, and we're just trying to make sure that we're on the same page. And, this is still your plan. You're still this is, your bottom dollar. This is, where you're at. And this is where you want to go. And just making sure we're on the same page. And that was before the offer even came in, just kind of us thinking that it might be coming.
Daniel was with me from beginning to end. He was there when we began the paperwork and the contract. He was there throughout the short process of getting my house sold, and he was there to the end of the closing. So that was very comforting.
And to make sure the deal got closed, he even came over, I think it was maybe 10:30 or 11 o'clock at night, to make sure that we got the paperwork out in time so we could sell the house.
We always got a hold of him, and he always got back with us. He was always communicating one way or the other, and always keeping us abreast of everything going on. And if we had a question, we knew where we'd call and where we'd get a hold of him very quickly.
We talked to him a lot, and I would just have these crazy questions or things that would come up in my head, and I would have to call him like, okay, Daniel, well, what if this happens? Or, how long do we have to wait?
For all practical purposes, Daniel was no more than a phone call or text message away. I don't think I ever sent him any information that I needed response to that I had to wait over probably not more than 90 minutes altogether, and that's when he was really busy and snowed under with other things.
He was always in communication with me. I never had a problem getting a hold of him and him communicating with me.
Daniel's the type of person, he's a pleasure to work with. He's always pleasant. He's not demanding. He takes time to listen to your concerns, to listen to what you're really looking for.
The one thing I liked about Daniel, he was reliable, he was on time. If he was thought he was going to be late, he would call and let us know, hey, I'm maybe a few minutes late.
Very professional and sincere.
He really knew what he was talking about. We really enjoyed having him.
Working with Daniel was one of the easiest experiences I've had. He was just so very courteous and professional and dedicated to what he was doing. Very easy to talk to and understand. It was a pleasure to be doing business with Daniel, and I would definitely recommend him to anyone and everyone who is looking to buy or sell a home.
He wasn't, leading us one way or another. He was just really, just being there for us.
And he knows the area quite well because he's been here a long time.
I had a professional that was not just working for me, but one who was working with me.